The man with the documents.
Howdy.
Documents, we say.
It's the skill is, the real is. What one is it?
Hi there, brother. How things?
Yes, blessed by the grace of the Most High. You know what I mean? Positive vibes, positive energy. 2023, here we come.
Well, here we're going on, fellas. We ain't sticking it now. We're gonna jump right into this thing. So, Gio, just give me one. Just Lego tune, and we will go from there. Who's starting it? Let's run it.
Start the thing. Let's go. Yes, sir.
Okay then.
All right, me.
Yeah.
Ojo. Wow. The king. We don't have no shame and pride. We don't have no shame and no pride. We don't have no shame and pride when we dirty and we outside. We don't have no shame and pride. We don't have no shame and no pride. We don't have no shame and pride. Ojo, see when we touch up. Hey, when it's dirty business, we outside. If it's dirty business, we outside. Hold it.
Show them on it.
Okay. All right.
Okay then.
Get yourself ready.
A little bit chanting now. Wow. Hey, we don't have no shame and pride. We don't have no shame and no pride. We don't have no shame and pride when we dirty and we outside. We don't have no shame and pride. We don't have no shame and no pride. We don't have no shame and pride when we dirty. You know, if it's dirty business, we outside. If it's muddy business, we outside. Fire water business, we outside. If it's juve business, you why? Steam fish in me back already. Them girl and them bumper heavy. Don't care if she have big belly. Call we bad like yours. Take your time, we don't care if you watch me. Take your time. Take your time, we don't care if you watch me. Take your time. Hey, if it's dirty business, we outside. If it's muddy business, we outside. Fire water business, we outside. If it's juve business, one more outside. If it's dirty business, outside. If it's muddy business, outside. You have a piece of second verse, season. Gio. Early morning 3:30, girl in front of me, tail like Santa P. She know a better like Campari. I call she takes sauce like Talcari. Could that all like no but study nobody. By the rhythm section, you go catch me. With me too white and bloody. We don't have no shame and pride. We don't have no shame and no pride. We don't have no shame and pride when we dirty and we outside. Alright, we don't have no shame and pride. Who next? Who next on the take?
Mix me down, Gio. Pass the headphones. Let me go.
Come, Bessor.
Hey, all again, it's here again. The thing start when I get the wristband and rolling with the gang. Push school like steel pan, loud out of hand. I pump and ready, boom, cause I can't stay steady. Boom, social behavior go away. This is a jam session, and only two veterans. It's a jump session. It's a jump session.
Juve morning is a what?
A
jam session on the road.
You don't know.
Let me know.
The thing start when I get the wristband and rolling with me gang. Push cooler like steel pan, load out of hand. I pump and ready, cause I can't stay steady. Social behavior go away. This is a jam session, and only two veterans is who will survive in here. This is a, watch me one, Ezel,
Talk to me.
Gio, ready here, on the road, Dutty, look, boom, boom, yeah, hey, jam up, boom, hey, hold the gun, jam up, boom, hey, jam up, down to the gun, hey, jam up, hey, hold the gun, jam up, hold by the bar, jam up, hey, things start, Bass bottle is headshot.
Alright.
It's vibes when I knock. Lord is session hot. Hustle and junk already. Not at all, not today. This is a jam session. And only two veterans is who will survive in here. Ojo, real life. Shut the truck. M1, Dloxx.
Here again. Line it up, Gio.
Dloxx, yeah again.
Carnival, we have you been?
Yes.
You always think I'm dirty, like the kitchen when you ain't wash the waste.
Alcohol, we drink it like a supplement. We get high, like landlord up the rent. Anyway, you look hot girl in all event. I don't know who to get the hot girl compliment like a whip. Them girl whining like they get licks with a whip. Bumper raise up like plane in an airline. And if you see the shape of the hip. Happy like overtime on your payslip. Oh, when I see screw collect a tip. Waiting for some girl serious like a job, like when you have to sign it. You must know the timing. A girl likes it.
Alright.
Dutty truck.
No, regular truck, you know. Dutty truck.
Yeah, we stink and dirty like the kitchen when you in. Alcohol, we drink it like a supplement. We are high like landlord up the rent. Anyway, I look hot girl in all event. I don't know to get the hot girl compliment like a whip. Them y'all whining like they get licks with a whip. Bumper raise up like plane in a airline. And if you see the shape of the hip. Happy like overtime on your payslip. Or when I see screw collect a tip. Whining for some y'all serious like a job, like when you have to sign in. You must know the timing. A y'all ask if I taking a wine on the road if I feel into dining. A good wine could make you feel happy like you win a play with Mark where you was mining. Carnival time is when all girls just come out high like the sun when it's shining. Cause I say them don't know. Oh, they don't know. Hey, Dutty truck, Dloxx M1, Bessor. Yo, your wine. Ezel, Gio. When you say we'll be out on the strip, you see carnival, you may not like a whip. Them y'all whining like they get licks with a whip. Bumper raise up like plane in a airline. And if you see the shape of the hip. Happy like overtime on your payslip. You see the spot here? 96. Your whining recipe I want show me. Bumper looking at me like it know me. Give me that slow seductive fruit wine like you're cuddling. Hot girl lit the dance floor like you're cuddling. Yeah, square like Madison. Small waist bumper big like Allison. Whining, skill. 96 is number one for real. Whip. Them y'all whining like they get licks with a whip. Hose are raise up like plane in the airline. These are don't know this ship. Ezel and Gio. I say I don't know. Me why you? Yeah, man. Go 96 when you're bad for show. All of the way out your wine. And the things we do. Alcohol when you see we be out of the strip. 96 when we love the strip like a whip. Supplement we head high like landlord up the rent. Anyway, you look hot girl in all event. I don't know to get the hot girl compliment like a whip. Them y'all whining like they get licks with a whip. Bumper raise up like plane in a airline. And if you see the shape of the hip. Happy like overtime on your payslip. You see this part here? I just want to rock it with this. Carnival at one time in your life, you could whine on any man wife. At one time in your life, you could whine on any man wife. Chain links, yo, 96.1 Dloxx. You here again? 23.
Dutty.
Like Jordan.
Gio.
Here again.
You also heard from Swappy and a 40. And of course the team in studio. Dloxx, Mr. Bessor.
Yeah,
and M1.
I got you.
Alright. And you said you brought more documents.
Yes.
We're going to pick up the BPM.
Yeah.
Take it up.
I come with the dossier today. You understand?
Tell us about the power.
Well, this is a power track. I know some people, you know, they like to brand M1 like a certain category. I just want to tell people M1 sing all category.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Maybe it's been a while, but I said 2023, anything goes. Anything goes. I ain't trying, you know what I mean? I ain't trying to wear one suit of clothes. You understand? I just say. So, yeah, what on? This track, I made a quick trip to England earlier on this year. And I met two brethren across there. Smash. He's responsible for the Porter Spin Riddim.
Okay.
Also, he and Kyle Phillips.
Yeah.
So, and he
I know you're on that as well.
Yes, definitely.
Yes. Yeah.
All yours. You know what I mean? And we link up with a brethren called Silver. And just before I leave to take my flight, we had a couple hours, like about 3 hours to play with. And he keep bubbling this with him. I say, yo, so what you going to do? We just go and
Listen to it.
sit down here and, what?
Let's up now.
Let me hold our vibes there.
You understand?
So we sent for a couple 6-pack of Guinness. And I think a Courvoisier.
You think? You can't remember?
Yeah, it's a Courvoisier, some kind of nice thing.
Okay then.
Yes. Some kind of nice thing. Like that or Johnny Walker. And we sent for some dry goods also. Who know?
Okay.
Who know?
Say no more.
You understand? And the vibe started building. So the song is bringing the real carnival spirit. As I say, I always try to keep it with a piece of foundation and a piece of the modern, a piece of up to the time. So
Can't forget where we come from.
no, you have to respect the legends.
Yes, I.
Must respect the legends. So the song is that kind of feeling. When you listen to the song, it's supposed to picture Tuesday evening. You know, at a certain time, the place has just been nice all around 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. In the big mass, you're supposed to feel that. So anybody who does play mass, all masqueraders, we come out to jam. We come out to...
They're coming out.
They're coming out.
I'm telling you.
Come out to... You see 2023? M1 and the people taking them. Yeah, man. Pick up the people, them who come out to jam. If you love soca music, put up your hand. I'm catching the feeling, you're catching the feeling. Once you know the feeling, you'll understand. Pick up the people, them who come out to jam. If you love soca music, put up your hand. You're catching the feeling, you're catching the feeling. Once you know the feeling, you'll understand. People coming out, look them. People coming out, look them. People coming out, look them. People coming out. People coming out, hey, people coming out. We are sleeping on Ezel. Hey, one in sleep, I don't know, one in rest, I don't know. Action, come, let we go. Hey, one in sleep, I don't know, one in rest, I don't know. How we pumping till tomorrow. And that we say.
Nice. Come out to jam, will I hear it? M1 representing Bessor Dloxx.
Yeah, boy.
I just see men exit.
What is that? We just giving them to do it power forward, you know.
There's a team. I understand. I want to thank you all for passing through.
Yes, man.
Let's give them the handles once again. Bessor Dloxx, where they could follow you all and stay up to date with the music and everything.
Mr. Bessor on the Instagram, Mr. Bessor on the Facebook. Dloxx.
Well, Dloxx on Instagram, Dloxx Jeremiah on Facebook, Dloxx Jeremiah on TikTok, and I must say Dloxx Kitchen.
I was about to say, don't forget the kitchen there, you know.
No.
Don't forget that.
Look out for the power, Mr. Bessor Power this week.
Yeah,
John Republic. So it has stop here.
Yeah, man.
One more to come.
man.
What's next for you?
Yeah, well, I have a little I have a kind of surprise.
You ever seen it now? But you want to bust the mark now.
All right, we'll keep it. All right,
I have a kind of surprise.
keep it to chest till it's time.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I know you had the Juke, had the All Is Yours, and the Port of Spain.
Yes.
Yeah. A lot of things happening.
Yes, the Dutty truck. I would say another thing, but I would like the people to check out this jam. You know, and when we come out to jam is one of my personal favorite that, you know, I intend to lead out there. On Boxing Day, I put it out there. On Boxing Day, I have a release called Soca Pretenders. I will leave that there.
Oh, Lord.
No. I mean,
Good thing, man. Good
oh
song,
gosh,
nice song.
we're just saying respect the elders. But the name of the track is Soca Pretenders. And we're picking up all the real Soca defenders.
Okay then.
I got you.
Oh, Joe.
So check out M1 on Facebook, Menace Jeremiah. Check me out on IG, M1 aka Menace. And check me out on the people TikTok as Menace Jeremiah. And the people TikTok, all you look for me, follow me. Join the M1 campaign, join the Dutty Truck campaign. You understand the Port of Spain Riddim campaign and the Juki campaign. And look out for the Soca Pretender.
All right. Fellas, passing through, man.
All right.
Yeah, again.
As well, man.
Ezel, big up yourself, Gio.
Respect.
Ojo, King Ojo, management and staff. You don't know. We there.